That's good. To make the wood without AKs, isn't it? Oh fuck. Yeah, that wood part is very, yeah. Full speed back there, man. What's going on a PB run for sure? Come on, what's going on a PB run? Okay, 116. After 15 minutes, we start to make. Always making memes. Changing the case, I mean, some parts are really not good. What is that? No, oh, I don't think so. I think they are some kind of ritual. I think I was much more easy to play. Much of mind. I think the track has good lines, but it's really hard to play with this guy on this track. Some of the lines are really nice, but that wood part is really not good to catch. Here. Lose a little bit of speed. Yeah, good. At least we are starting to make better beginnings. Oh no, not now. Campaign 7 away from. Even with that meme, let's go. At least it seems like we are putting the beginning a little bit better. Okay, yeah, I really see too much there. Catching right. advantage, man. Come on. Even with that corner down came. Oh, it didn't take. Yeah, I'm making memes with a K3 and a K4. Like, I put two PBs here that are really GG, just to see the place that we have. Let the car roll. Also time to OPD, so no, we let the car put sideways. Man, this, I hate it so much, this whole car, because we were 10 seconds off AG. Now we are just 4.5 away. Oh, okay. Yeah. Part of the year. That's when you guys have to go exams. Fuck no. I want to see this time. Lose all the speed that at least to make good corner. Fuck no. Oh my god. I have to release. Watch out, PB, because we are coming. Every time that we came to the track, we really need to relearn the track. No fuck. Let's change AK4 wiki to no AKs. Have to see, make this like make those old times. Checkpoint by checkpoint. Just good. Okay. Good beginning. First time making that route, we always make it me. Yeah. I think I can do it. Today I have to improve at least 1 second. Yesterday we improved a lot. Better than. Come on, wood. Oh fuck. Making me want to do it again. Put on muscle and brain to put these to work. Okay. They have 1 hour and 15 minutes. At beginning, oh, bro. Fuck no. Hello, spacey guy. Come on. I'm struggling with it. That corner on the wood. Yesterday we get it so many times, and today we are not. It's really a bad time. 15. I think we were going really well, but they don't know how to make this route again. Yesterday we were catching this route, okay. Want to see the cooking time here. We'll make another meme. So. You still don't have gold? I got the gold yesterday. You want to join us because we are in the Kimi Hunt server? Stop the car, what the fuck? It said 50 hours to get this AG for me? I know that it's hard, but 50 hours, man. I never played 50 hours on a map. But maybe he's right. I will change it. I will take Maniac out. And I will put here one guy with 80. Exact 80. What is it? 110, 347. Then 335. Over in the mission. The second off, that's hard, man. I don't know. Maybe some will click this. Any? Oh, come on, you bastard. Do you have this stick? Really hard for me, guy. Come on. Man, as you know how I play in the keyboard, so really more difficult to JK there. Oh, we have a nice beginning. Let's keep up the pace, guys. Come on. Fuck, I had so many time of advance. And they send me to the Scorpions. Finish it, yeah. Been run. You really need to get used to the map to how to play it more consistently. I think if you see, there are some tracks that the guy is not that bad, like the 18 track is not that bad on this car, but this kind of maps or surface are really worse for this.